Hey everybody, it's Nazar with Nazarasfinecrafts, and today I wanted to go ahead and do kind of a little kit review on Annie's Crochet Striped Afghan Club. This is the Seed Side Sampler Afghan. These are stripes 7 through 9. So this is like a little monthly kit club where you get a certain amount of stripes per to make this blanket. I don't actually get this club. I don't have this club, but they sent me this to do a review on. So this was free for me, and I was really impressed with Annie's Hook and Needle Club. Which one was it? I don't have the book with me right now, but it was the washcloth and dishcloth set. The cotton was really soft, really nice, so I'm kind of excited to open this one. And let's go ahead and do that. I'll give you a little bit more information on the club in just a little bit here. So we're going to open the book first. Oh, so yeah, it's a little pamphlet with cardboard stock. Thought it was a little thicker than that, but no. Let's see. Like I said, it's stripes 7 through 9. Gives you the instructions here. I am not going to open it all the way because I am trying to... Yeah, it's each stripe on here, and it actually gives you a picture of where you're at. Let's see if we can find it on here, right here. Yeah, dark blue, and then these, and it goes into the brown, I believe. Maybe it's from the top. No, there they are, down here. So, oh, look at that. See? Trying to find it on that picture where the blanket's all curled up, but here it is. 7, 8, and 9. So that's really cool. I like how they actually show what stitches you're, or what rows you're getting on the back here. So, they do not send you a hook. It's just the yarn and then the book. These are four medium weight yarns. Premier Yarns Everyday Worsted Medium Weight acrylic. So it has 3 ounces, 158 yards, 85 grams per ball. 1 ball each of Harbor, Spot, and Cappuccino. You will also need an I9 or 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, a small amount of cream from the previous kit, okay, and then a tapestry needle. Let's go ahead and look at, wow, this is so soft. This is very comparable to Caron Simply Soft as far as the way it feels. Let's pull all these out so I don't have to mess with this bag any longer. So yeah, okay, they are Premier Anti-Pilling, exclusive for this, only from Premier Yarns exclusive. So it's like new, wash after wash, everyday worsted weight, 153 yards, 140 meters, 3 ounces or 85 grams, 100% anti-pilling acrylic. So I like that. Tested and approved against 350 plus harmful substances. Interesting. Medium 4 weight. Sorry about that. My camera died. So 5 millimeter knitting needles, 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, medium 4 weight. It is machine washable and dryable. It's tumble dry. Do not iron or bleach. Let's see. And this is made in Turkey. This one's the color Cappuccino. So it's this nice light tan. Same specs on this one. This is the color Harbor. So it's like a cornflower blue, almost a grayish cornflower blue. Maybe a foggy harbor. Ah, no. And then this one's the color Spa, so it's a nice like pale aqua. Yeah. Well, there you go. Those are true to color. Right there. So, Annie's Kit Clubs have all kinds of clubs. Let me tell you about these. I do have an affiliate link down in the description below. So if you go and click on one of those links, then I will get a small commission from it. Let's see though. They have a Caring Crochet Kit Club. They have also knit kids clubs, general crafts clubs, quilt and sew, paper and jewelry clubs. So this is just the crochet ones I'm telling you about because that's what I do. There's a Crochet Afghan Block of the Month Club, so that one would be like Granny Square or blocks. And then there's this one, which is the Crochet Striped Afghan Club. So, like I said, it does not come with the hook or anything like that, but it does send you the yarn and the pamphlet every month. The yarn seems pretty soft. I'll go ahead and crochet a little bit with it in a minute just to tell you if it splits or not. So, and it actually has 4 different color options for the stripe Afghan. So they have Plumberry, which is this nice plum color. They have Seaside, which is this one. Natural Pearl, which is just pretty much like beige colors. It reminds me of the macrame yarn kind of color. It's not exactly brown, but not exactly white or off-white. And then they have Cozy Cottage, which I'm waiting for a picture here. Okay, that's a light neutrals, grays, browns, whites, off-whites, that sort of thing. So I'll try and put pictures up here of each of these as I go, but well, I'm actually not allowed to use their pictures, so I won't put pictures up there, sorry. If you'd like to check it out though, I do have the link in the description. And let me see if I can get you some more details on this as far as price. They do have a thing going right now that you get 50% off your first kit. You also get, let's see, yeah, so your first shipment would be only $9.99. Every shipment after that is $19.99. So for 3 skeins of yarn plus the instructions, that's not too bad. Especially if you're just looking for something to do that's constructed already or has a pattern to construct a little bit easier. And like I said, it gives you those different options on colors. And then, yeah. So let me go ahead and find my 9 hook here. There, I got 5mm. That'll work right now, and it'll tell me if I'm kind of a tight crocheter anyway. So, stripe 7. Let me see. Now, it's kind of hard to do that. So I'm just going to do a chain because this is 7 through 9. It's kind of hard to start when you're supposed to have rows before. I think this would probably be the easier to see out of the 3. And it's nice that they have this where you don't have to go fishing for the tail. What happened here? Oh, it's knotted. Okay. I guess to keep it out initially. So let's go ahead. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah, like I said, it's very nice and silky if you like those kind of yarns. And it's not splitting as far as I can tell here. Well, that one grabbed it. go ahead and do double crochets and see if I get... So far it's working really nicely. It glides very nicely. I love the shine to it. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. And how many, I'm wondering how long this takes. Let's see. So for the Annie's Kit Review Club, for the Striped Afghan Club, if you watched this in the last, I think it was hour that I had it out, I made a big mistake on there. So ignore that. This is edited. So, so this is an 11th month kit. I took 30 rows and automatically heard 30 months. So that is my fault. This is an 11-month kit. So your first kit includes the yarn and patterns for your first 3 stripes plus a free digital stitch guide as a free gift for joining the club. Each kit you'll get 3 more stripes to create, 30 in all. The final kit will include a series guide that will guide you through adding the border and finishing of your throw. So not 30 months. It's 11 months, so it's in a year. So I just wanted to point that out. That was my mistake. And let's get on to actually reviewing the little kit. You've seen the rugs that I do. You'd think that they would take forever, but like as they grow, it's pretty immediate gratification. I don't like to stop them and lay them down and watch them just sit there. I have a pattern that I've been working on, that I was working on, and then I got too busy to work on it last year, and I'm talking about the beginning of the year. You guys probably saw the little sneak peek of it, and I was on a roll with it, and then I had to stop, and that drove me nuts. So so I'm looking at it just sitting there, and I'm like, man, I really wish I could pick it up and start going again, but I've got other stuff I have to do first, and then I can pick it back up. But yeah, I used to have a bunch of works in progress sitting around, but I actually threw the ones out that I wasn't going to finish. I know that's horrible, but I threw them out, or I frogged them, because I was like, I'm never going to finish this. It's just sitting there torturing me, and I don't like works in progress everywhere. So I do have like sunflower petals for the sunflower rugs for my Etsy shop, but that's because I never know if they're going to because I offer different colors and different center colors, as well as I have a half sunflower and a whole sunflower. So I don't want to I like to have the petals done, but that's not a project that's not finished. The petals are just sitting there waiting for another order, and it makes it easier for me to get those orders out really quickly. So, but this worked out really nicely. Thanks for listening to me ramble. But yeah, I love it. I would definitely get this if I could get it faster than a month at a time. And I hope you like this kit review. If you have any questions, then definitely leave them in the comments below. If you might want to go ahead and invest in a project like this, then go ahead and check out that link in the description below. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!